Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mass rename multiple components in Figma super quickly and efficiently. If you've ever found yourself with a bunch of components that need to be renamed after a big design sprint or a team handoff, this little trick is going to save you tons of time and frustration. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your Figma files, making everything easier to find, organize, and hand over. So let's jump right in. Alright, so first things first, make sure you've got your Figma file open with all those components you want to rename. Sometimes we end up with dozens or even hundreds of components from copy-pasting, duplicating, or importing, and they can end up with messy names like component 87 or button copy 2. Don't worry, you're not stuck fixing these one by one. What you want to do is head over to your Layers panel on the left. Now go ahead and select all the components you want to rename. You can do this by holding down the Shift key and clicking each component, or if they're all grouped together, just click and drag to select a bunch at once. Take a moment here to make sure you're only selecting the components you actually want to rename. Figma will rename everything you select, so a little double check is worth your time. Once you've got them all selected, right-click on any one of those highlighted layers. A menu will pop up, look for and click on Rename. This is where the magic happens. The batch renaming window opens, letting you control the names of all those components at once. Now you'll see a text field where you can type in a new name. This name is going to apply to every single component you've selected. For example, if you type in button primary, all the selected components will get this same name. This is super handy for cleaning up inconsistently named assets, but here's an important tip. If you want each component to have a unique name, Figma has you covered. Here, how to do it, look below the main input box and you'll see some small options, including a box with a number symbol. Click on that and Figma will automatically add a number to the end of each renamed component, keeping each one's name unique. For example, if you wrote button and enabled the numbering, you'd get button 1, button 2, button 3, and so on. This is especially useful when you have variations of a similar component, like different button states or list items, because it keeps everything organized and easy to reference later. Once you're happy with your settings, go ahead and click Rename. Don't worry if it takes a second, Figma will process all the changes in one go, and you'll see your layers update instantly in the panel. And just like that, you've got neatly renamed components, all in a matter of seconds. If you ever make a mistake or want to try a different naming scheme, you can always undo by pressing Command+Z or Control+Z, no harm done. So that's how you mass rename components in Figma. I hope this helps you keep your design files tidy and saves you lots of clicks and headaches. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, drop your questions or own tips in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more straight-to-the-point design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.